Yeah. What'd you say? Got him. We almost got the gift card.
Oh, really? That's really cool, man. Oh, a golden gift card.
I want to go to the platinum card. Get the other gift card. Tap, 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 tap. Tap it. Using my nose and my whole fucking nose and it's worth it. Hey, that was nice, Billy. Get one, get one. Money, money, money. Sorry that we haven't been uploading a lot. I'll be uploading a lot more. Yeah. Money, money, money. Oh my god, so close. Please. I only have a lot more coins. Billy, we almost got it. Come on, Billy. Go for a ride.
Just stop stealing that thing.
I came up with it.
Oh, we almost got it. Just a bit. I think we got it. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm gonna go, please give me. Billy died again. Oh, I just gotta go find him.
Billy. I hit my head really hard.
Alright. Who's that?
Yeah, who was it?
Me? Up here? Go away! So, really wondering why are we getting all these coins?
I have to go.
Okay. Whoa. His voice is probably going to change to keep talking. I bet you his voice is going to change. Whenever he says his voice changes. So lonely without another gold gift card. I might be spending all my money, but who cares? I don't. Ellie, was that you?
No, it was me.
Shut up! Nobody likes you. That's why you're under my heater. Here, take some nerves. No problem. The heck are you? Sound like alligator. Yeah, I'm sick of these words. I'm trying to get better. Well, at least I defeated him. Well, I didn't defeat him, I just beat him up. Yeah, we have 1,000 coins. Oh my god. Choking on cheese. Excuse me. I'm back. I died, and at least we had a spare version of me. Noobs! Yeah! With King Noob. Golden Noob. 100 Robux. No! Stop coughing! I keep choking on cheese. Don't worry, I don't have the thingy bobber. I just... No, I don't. I literally was I got tested and I was negative. Shall we go back to the arcades? Ew, ugly. Spit on him. Get over here. Let's go back to the arcade. Yeah, arcades are fun. Arcade, let's go. Come on, get that gift card. Reebok. Gift card for Reebok. Ron blocks. Golden blocks. Sorry. By the time this video is out, you'll already have seen the Gordon Ramsay video. Yeah, Billy bumped his head when he was sleeping here, so he sounds different, like that. Don't jump, I'm sorry, or I'll shoot you. No, you have so much to live for. I've just eaten his flesh, I'm sorry. Bug is here. Outbreak of 100K. That's where I'm gonna end the video.